today's video, we're going to unbox this new GoPro Hero 13. I got this one from Lazada, but this is from GoPro Flagship store, so you can trust buying from them. Again, GoPro, the latest GoPro Hero 13 Black. And take note, this is the Accessory Bundle Edition. So again, GoPro Hero 13 Accessory Bundle Edition. Let's see what's inside. Okay. All right, so here it is. Okay. Alright, so ito yung kasama. It's a hard case. Okay, which is a good thing because sometimes it's hard to secure the GoPro sometimes, so it's just way better. It really includes the hard case. Alright, so let's look at the inside. Okay, so this is again part of the bundle. This is a floater. I don't know what GoPro called this one, but I know this is a floater for underwater use. It has a pretty nice handle. All right, this one, and then it has this two, I don't know, like buckles. It's 1, 2. Okay. So the other one is actually they're curved. So this one you can put, I don't know, like in a head or something. So there's two that, and then there's one GoPro. And here's the best part. Oh, by the way, before I go to the best part, other things we have here is cable and screw for this one. Alright, and the best part is it has two Enduro batteries. This is the latest battery from GoPro, and they're both original. So let's put that aside. There you go. And I said this is the best part because I've been wanting to buy an extra battery for a GoPro in the past, and this one already comes with it. I love this accessory bundle from GoPro. Let's put that there. And lastly, and let's just make sure nothing anymore is in here. Okay, nothing's in there anymore actually. I don't know if I need all this to be here, but just looks paper, but let's see. Alright, so here it is. Alright. I don't know if this is made of, it's like plasticky or something, but it's nice. Oh, I like that it has this screw type, just like the Insta360. I can use the invisible selfie stick in here. It's pretty cool. I like it. And it's alright, and I would assume this is the battery compartment. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, the last GoPro I have was GoPro Hero 5, I think. And there's a lot of improvements already. But yeah, this is pretty slick design. Oops. Okay. Camera must be updated before use. Okay. Okay. Nice. No scratches there. Oh, I really like this. I really like this surface. Nice. So let's remove all this. Cool. Alright. Let's put on the battery and test. Again, I don't need to test everything, but before I do so, let me let me put this here. So this is what's included in the bundle. All of that. 2 batteries, 1 floaty or handler. Okay. And let's test this out. Okay. Okay. Power on. All right. Oh, what happened? English. Agree. Okay. Turn on. No. Off now. Checking SD card. Battery life 20%. That's okay. No SD card. Wait, where's the free SD card? SD card. Oh, right here. Okay, so let's do that. SD card. At least I don't need to remove the battery. Alright. Scan to finish. Oh, I don't have my camera with me. But I think, yeah, we'll just do it later. I don't know how to skip this part, but it's nice. I'll continue setting this up, but this is all about unboxing, so that's it. So it also includes some GoPro stickers, other stuff, and some manuals in here. What we have, what else? Okay, this is pretty nice storage. At least you have some stuff so you just put in there, and I can just power it back off, put it back there when not in use, then put everything back here, and extra battery, cable, and there you go, guys. That's it. Pretty slick. And in Lazada, they also give you a free power bank. Yeah, what more could you ask for? Free power bank just for buying a GoPro. Cool. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos and content. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.